FEU dropped the second set 25-21 but rebounded to bring down Arellano sa ating third set. Kasama nga with the same score, 25-21.
That's right. In that set, yun nga, nakabawi rin itong FEU pagdating sa opensa. Yung paisa-isang nakukuha nilang puntos work to their advantage. They scored 12 attack points as opposed to Arellano sa 8. Bukod dyan, yun nga, no, nagpalit din, nag-reshuffle din ng tao itong si Coach Shaq, and he stuck with these set of players dito doon sa third set.
Coach Shaq de Los Santos pushing different buttons in the third set. It worked in their favor at maski na mas marami silang errors doon sa third set, sabi mo nga yung paisa-isa sa puntos at atake, naging puhunan nila para maiuwi at maisara yung nakalipas na third set.
Now the question is, Coach Ronnie, paano kaya babawi itong Arellano? Because we know that both these teams are evenly matched. Pagdating sa labanan na ito, nakita natin kung paano nagsisiso lang yan or naghahabulan, nag-uunahan.
Ang storya nga natin sa ating unang tatlong sets, yun yung makalamang nawa wire to wire na niya yung kanyang performance. This will be 2 straight points para sa FEU, or rather sa Arellano University. Ang kanilang primary setter na si Angelica Legacion will continue to be serving para dito sa Lady Chiefs. And again, a solid serve coming from Legacion. Good block by CJ Rosario and Bernadette Pons.
But coverage was there for FEU.
Quick para dito kay CJ. Sugod para sa FEU. Henson na naman para Arellano. Oops. Mabayad, humingi ng bola. But difficult angle.
And buti na lang hindi rin nahawakan ni Basas as the ball went out.
Mabuti, hindi natuloy yung tapilok doon ni CJ Rosario.
We don't want any more injuries. Pero may siya ang ankle
kasi
brace.
Yan ang kadalasan niyang injury. Nakita ko na yan dun sa NCAA no, na crucial yun finals yun kung di ako nagkakamali.
Kadalasan pag nasa-sprain ka at madalas kang nasa-sprain, yung pain will always be there.
Ayaw mo naman magka-bone spur. Dahil mas mahirap yan. This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Then Babayan scoring earlier dun sa kanyang atake, CJ Rosario. Dito sa fourth set for Arellano. Babayan with the hustle play. FEU stays close. FEU 2 points, 3 points naman para sa Arellano.
Coach Shaq nagpapaalala sa kanyang mga players. Minsan talaga pag nasa loob ka, hindi mo na rin alam kung ano nangyayari dahil sa bilis ng galaw at saka ng laro.
Lunod na lunod yung setup na yon at ginawan lang ng paraan pero hindi na lumusot para dito sa Arellano. Bernadette Pons has played so well para dito sa FEU. Erratic at times but still the primary weapon on offense.
Currently with 17 points itong si Pons, followed by Gonzaga with 10, Palma with 7. So yung score ni Gonzaga at Palma combined, yun na yung naipuntos nitong si Pons.
Nice cover coming from Pons. Yes, finally scores for FEU using the hands of the blockers. If it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Ngayon, para naman dito sa Arellano, Coach Ronnie, kailangan bantayan ng FEU itong si Henson,
Correct.
Currently the highest score with 10 points, followed by Tubiera and Aganon both with 8.
Offhand atake para kay Palma. Henson blocked. Henson again. Henson scores. Dinahan sa mas maliit na blocker. Napakatangkat din ni Palma,
Yan ang, actually yan ang dalawa dun sa, doon sa talagang school lineup ng FEU, yan si Palma at saka si Kasugod.
Masasabi lang natin.
She gets that point.
I thought that the service reception was also perfect para dito kay Atienza. Yeah, maganda yung second ball nila for
Oo.
Palma. Axel's the official outfitter of the Shakey's leading. 5 points for FEU after a slow start dito sa ating fourth set. Oops. Miscommunication between Henson and Milet Mabayad.
Sometimes all it takes is really to say mine. Dahil yun nga, no, magkakalapit din sila ng pwesto. So they adjusted a bit sa kanilang
Tama.
pwesto dahil mahirap eh. You're overlapping.
Oops. Aganon. Pushing that ball deep. Yes, connecting. Nawala sila sa transition dahil nawala sila sa pwesto.
Oo, at yun, itong si Ginoo took advantage of that. Hindi malakas yung palo na yan, pero ang ganda ng pagkakabaon.
It's all about placement para dito kay Ginoo. Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Too long. Negrito communicating with Ginoo.
Sinasabi niya, paluin mo.
Knuckle action pa lang, alam mo na no?
Pero ganyan naman dapat talaga pag setter ka, dapat may authority, you can drive the play. At ikaw magsasabi kung anong gusto mong mangyari.
Ginawa ng paraan ni Ginoo. Legasyon going to Aganon once again.
Inibabawan ni Aganon si Negrito.
Perfect set coming from Legasyon. One stop, sabi dito ni Coach Shaq. One good receive. Probably ito na ang ating isa sa longest matches dito sa longest match dito sa batang collegiate conference.
Yes.
At dito sa ating first technical timeout, tignan natin kung anong mga paalala ni Coach Shaq at anong mga reminders naman ni Coach Obet Javier para dito sa Arellano Lady Chiefs.
Ngayon, pag makita mo transition, ilan mo siya, tapos iwanan mo lang sa middle.
Dalawa, tapos dire-diretso.
Average, ha? Sige.
Tara kayo.
Eight-6. Score in favor of FEU. Tricia, come in.
Now, you guys might not know this about Lady Chiefs captain CJ Rosario, but she actually started volleyball quite late, having only begun upon entering college. Sabi niya sa akin, hindi niya naman daw inakalang makarating siya sa ganyang posisyon. But if perseverance and patience did the trick for her, there is no reason na hindi daw ito gagana para sa Arellano ngayon. Pressure shifted to their camp and being 2 sets down, hindi may iwasang bumaba ang moral ng girls. Pero sabi ni Coach Bert sa kanyang kupunan, tatagan ng loob, shake off the nerves, at go back to the fundamentals dahil doon tayo nagkakaproblema. Coach Shaq, on the other hand, is very pleased with the spirit his girls have been playing with, pero paalala niya rin, there is no room for overconfidence. Mahaba-haba pa ang laro, so keep your vision on the ball at always focus. Guys?
A bit late nga, kasi normally yung mga collegiate na players natin, pagpasok niyan,
Bata pa,
may
nagsimula
experience
na.
na. May experience at least high school.
Parang ganyan din ang kwento nung kuya niya na si Troy Rosario sa basketball naman. Pero nakakatuwa rin, dalawang excellent athletes sa pamilya.
But it means that even if they started late, talagang they're
Meron.
very athletic.
Saka meron, may bala
talagang
talaga.
talent.
Kasi iba naman si Butski magsimula ng maaga.
Wala talaga.
Oo. Nagsimula lang.
Nagsimula lang.
Ito meron.
Pero sila very lucky because
Gifted.
they're gifted with the
Correct.
talent. And,
The height and the talent. FEU 9. Arellano 7. Legasyon. Will go to Mina Aganon once again. Diving. Itong si Ginoo. Pons going down the line. Mabayad. Binuhay yung bola. Excellent effort by Mabayad. Pons exploding once again. Ang ganda ng palitan na yon, Ann.
at itong si Pons, also a good way to end that. Tignan mo.
Akala ko ba pagod na sila? Tignan mo naman ang yung luksuhan after this point. O, isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Oh, nakakapagod yan.
Ay, nako. Anong pagod-pagod daw, coach? Wala yan.
Sa ensayo, pag tinagawa mo yan, ayaw na nila eh.
Dito, wala. They don't feel the, after pa nila mararamdaman ng
Yes.
pagod.
And I believe that Arellano is now feeling the heat. FEU has stepped up the notch in terms of efficiency sa kanilang overall game. Ultra-fast LTE for Happy Family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet first low was $9.99.
Ang mahirap pang kalaban, yung team na nag-e-enjoy at nakatawa. Eh ngayon ang FEU, all smiles.
Oo, pero itong si Mina Aganon making something out of nothing even against that double block. I believe Kasugod is taller than CJ Rosario, ano?
Looks like she is taller.
Oo, maski na yumuko siya kasi tangkad niya.
From this angle.
Sa NCAA, isa na sa pinakamatangkad si CJ Rosario eh.
She is actually taller. Yan, katapat silang
Oh,
dalawa.
and once again, Bernadette Ponce and Job Gonzaga celebrating together with Atienza. Pasensya ka na, nakita ko ulit yung Seki's Pizza nandito sa aking kanan. Nakita ko dinala eh. Nakita ko
Swerte ng ating best player of the game.
Oo, pero ang FEU ay 4 points ahead. Still a long way to go para dito sa FEU, but Arellano has to check themselves because right now that is an unforced error that happened para kay Legacion na siyang itatawag ng timeout ni Coach Obet Javier para mapigilan ang pagsulong ng FEU Lady Tamaraos.
Diba? Iyan mo siya para makuha mo yung Hindi nasa una. Sabi nasa una niya tayo. Pag nandun, alam nila, big sa akin ng diba? Kunin niyo yung receive. Pag dumalo ka pa rin mo na malakas, bahala na yung coverage sa'yo.
Hey, say you!
5-point deficit for Arellano. They're also one set down. FEU leads 2 sets to 1. At yung mga routine returns ay hindi nagagawa na maayos ng Arellano. FEU won the first set 25-23. Arellano took away the second set 25-21 before FEU rebounded and won the third set also 25-21. Legacion. Hiningi ni Dana Henson. Blocked. Galang going against Dana Henson. Going cross court. And this is an avalanche of errors para dito sa Arellano. Defensively and likewise on offense.
Itong si Henson, iniwasan din yung kamay ni Kasugod.
Si Kasugod, X-Factor, game changer. Definitely an impact player for FEU.
And yun nga, that's why itong si Coach Shaq talagang stuck with her. And minamaximize ang kanyang presence on the floor.
Points off speed. Sabi ni Coach Shaq, haba. Dana Henson gumawa ng paraan. Gonzaga using her vast experience to combine with Genevieve Kasugod and deny Dana Henson an opening.
Right now, itong FEU with a comfortable lead.
Bigla, ano?
Bigla ang, and you see them very composed.
Pero FEU giving up a free point. Para dito sa Arellano. Kailangan bumalansi
Focus,
rito.
oo.
Ang Arellano, if it's fun family and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
I think, Coach, kailangan din ng Arellano ng isang pang-turn around. No? Siguro isang magandang patay.
Isang magandang patay, isang magandang streak. Dahil sila Job Gonzaga ngayon ay on a roll, so to speak. At pakinggan natin ulit si Coach Obet at si Coach Shaq dito sa ating second tactical timeout.
Pilitin natin, malayo pa naman, 16 pa
Tara
lang yun
guys,
eh.
isa-isa tayo
Kaya
guys.
inyo, kailangan natin ng receive, kailangan natin ng block. Ha? Receive at block kailangan
Tara,
natin.
isa-isa tayo. Isa-isa. Hey! Lady Chips. Bola.
Points para sa FEU. Arellano with 9 points. Both teams with a 1-0 win-loss card. These two teams looking for its second consecutive win. And right now, it's hard to stop a team that is moving on all cylinders. Ika nga, at tingnan natin kung anong solusyon dito ng Arellano. Coach Shaq De Los Santos calling the attention of Hernandez. At abangan sa Sabado live, Arellano U versus National U. Ay, ang ganda niyan. 12:55 PM. Dito pa rin po sa GMA News TV. Naihabol din itong si Hernandez para dito sa FEU. Labas ugat move para dito kay Lilet Mabayad. Gonzaga, off speed.
Wow.
Kalmado.
Saka lahat na ng klaseng opensa na pwedeng gawin. Malakas, cross-court, down the line, off-speed, drop ball. Nasubukan na nitong FEU.
We've seen very tight set so far sa ating unang tatlong paglatag. But here in the fourth set, this has been a runaway para dito sa FEU so far. Building an 8-point lead at 17-9. Ramirez. Back set. Uy.
Oo, ang nagiging problema, coach, ngayon ng Arellano University, hindi sila makakonvert ng puntos from their offense. I'm looking at the numbers. FEU has 8 points. Ang Arellano may 3. Pero pantay lang sila ng number of errors.
Calixto, binunot ni Coach Obet Javier. Pinahinga muna ang kanilang si Dana Henson. Ultra fast LTE for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet first daw was $999. Ramirez back set para kay Calixto, cold off the bench. Calixto scores, could be the game changer for Arellano. Balik si Nika Carino. Labas muna si CJ Rosario, also making her re-entry sa napakataas na front line. Para dito sa Arellano, si Shirley Salamagos.
It's all about the height ngayon, ano?
Ganda ng preno ni Palma. Calixto again. Good recovery by Palma. A push on the left side and then an excellent block on the opposite end. Ang ganda ng effort na yon.
More substitution here para sa Arellano
Oo.
University.
Matagal nating hindi nakita si Prado dito mula nung first set. Pero for Coach Obet Javier, wala nang mawawala. Subok na.
And ang kailangan lang, yun nga sinasabi natin, Coach Ronnie, ang kailangan lang ngayon siguro isang spark plug. Just one person who can turn around the momentum, mailipat muna sa side ng Arellano.
Hard to stop. You have to give a lot of credit dito kay Negrito kasamang dahil ang ganda bumalasa, ang hirap pulaan, grabe magpabuka ng depensa. At yan ang dahilan kung bakit 10 kalamangan ng FEU at bakit nakatawa si Coach Shaq De Los Santos at bakit hindi nakatawa si Coach Obet Javier for Arellano Lady Chiefs.
Ulit, ha? Sigay natin sa block. Kaso unahan ka. Dito ka lang. Dito ka na mag-open ka na. Para hindi na kayo mahirapan na. Huli lang natin yung receive, ha? Pagkasit mo, huwag kang tumayo, kumover ka. Nakakalimutan yung susunod mong gagawin. Taas pa natin yung score natin. Malayo pa taas pa natin yung score, ha?
Kailan tayo?
It's going to take at least nothing short of a miracle kasamang for Arellano to bounce back after this 10-point hole na nangyari para sa kanila. But
Matinding kapit.
it's not impossible.
Oo, pero matinding kapit,
Oo.
Coach, yung kailangan
Oops.
nila. Oh! Yan ang natawanan sila pero dahil hindi nag-usap, nagtinginan. Minsan, nakakatulong naman, sabihin mong mine.
Good block coming from Prado.
At medyo napaatras si
Oo,
Sijo.
buti hindi natapilok, ano? Gonzaga for the service reception. Malabanan. Oh, good cover. Yung mga hugot ni Coach Obet Javier, nagde-deliver dito sa dulo. Hiningi ni Palma, binigay kay Malabanan. Buhay pa. Back set, hindi na buhay. Gonzaga redeeming herself. Rejected earlier, bouncing back. And look at this, Coach Obet Javier pushing one button after the other to try and, kumbaga, maghanap ng lifeline dito sa dulo. Pero pang ilang sub na ba yun? The official ball of the shake is Billy against Mikasa. Jovelyn Gonzaga after this serve will now be at the back.
At nakailang yung pagbalasa rin ni Coach Obet, no, halos ibang-iba na yung kanyang anim nasa floor. Pero binalik niya si Tubiera na kanina really was very effective in the previous set.
Sila ni Henson, di ba? Palma also has played well in terms of efficiency, in terms of yung overall contribution na matatawag. And right now, this is a huge step para dito sa FAU. 10 points ahead and only 3 points away from posting their second consecutive win.
Isa pa, Coach, na malaking naitulong itong si Kasugod. Ano,
Literally.
yung pagpasok sa kanya, yung paghugot sa kanya ni Coach Shaq.
Coach Shaq, napakiwi doon sa service error nitong si Palma. Oh, anong sabi ron?
Ewan ko, I think sa tama ng kamay itong sinasabi ni Coach Shaq. Again, daming substitution na nangyayari para sa Arellano.
Kada play, no?
Merong substitution. Rosario now back in.
Naririnig ko yung mga instructions dito ni Coach Shaq.
Yung play niya.
Oo.
5 daw. So, set sa likod. At sinunod naman ni Negrito.
Alanganin. Nauna yung preno bago yung tip.
They can't relax at this point dahil kahit malaki ang kalamangan nila, no, nakikita natin how slowly but surely the opponent can inch closer.
Oops. Salamagos. Ramirez. Tubiera gumawa ng paraan. Inangat ni Pons. Backset for Gonzaga. Oh, out of control for Gonzaga.
Sa ilalim si Jove.
Stranded at 22. While Arellano has increased its production to 15.
Oh,
Got to hurt.
definitely. It's a crucial point in the match.
This is a very crucial stage in the
Oh,
match because
lalo sa kanila rin.
Oo, dahil behind sila ng 1 set. Haba itong ating laban so far, at talagang dikdikan. Oops.
Good reception.
Ramirez going to Rosario. Good save by Atienza. Blocked by CJ Rosario. Sugod just could not stay low enough to get that ball still alive. Ito yung drawback sa mga matatangkad, no? Takes some time for them to gather themselves and stay low.
Kaya naman marami din dun sa ating mga libero, yung mga medyo on the shorter side because maliliksi,
Yes.
gumalaw.
Hirap kaya yumuko. Di ba? Pag matangkad ka.
Nakakapagod
Hindi
yun.
ko naman alam yun kasi maliit ako. Pero base lang sa nakikita ko. Oh, nice block by Pons. Oh, nice. Bukang-buka.
Oh.
Bukang-buka.
At itong si Pons, maganda rin yung angulo and the reach
Husay.
niya.
Pero ang ganda rin ng kamada ron ng kanilang setter na si Negrito.
Yes.
Tanaw niya nakamarka sa kanan, binigay niya sa kaliwa. And right now, this is a commanding 8 match points na hawak. Itong Lady Tamaraws laban sa NCAA champions ng Arellano University.
Oh, look at that ace. Si Coach siya, kinabahan daw siya doon.
At walang kaabog-abog. Negrito seals this second win for FEU. As a very game, Arellano drops its first outing after winning its first game sa ating collegiate conference. This is a match that lasted over 2 hours kasamang Ivy. Full of excitement, full of action as this last shake and play saw that last service ace ni Negrito to give FEU its second straight win. Final score and
25-23, 21-25, 25-21, and finally 25-16.
At ang pinili ni Binibining Andre Mulla bilang ating best player is now with Trisha Robredo.
Okay, so Bernadette, congrats on the win. This was a game against the defending NCAA champions. Inasahan mo ba na ganito yung magiging laro? At ano naman pakiramdam na natalo niyo sila in 4 sets?
Siyempre, hindi naman kami nag-expect na maipanalo namin yung game na to. Basta yung sabi lang sa amin ni Coach na gawin lang namin kung ano yung laro namin. Kasi siyempre, nag-ensayo din naman yung kalaban, naghahanda din naman sila para sa amin. So, basta yung sinunod lang namin yung sabi ni Coach. At yung feeling ngayon na nanalo kami, siyempre, sobrang saya, sobrang fulfilling kasi kahit na meron kami mga errors, at least na gawa namin yung ibang mga tinuturo ng mga coaches namin.
Maraming salamat, Bernadette, and congrats sa team ninyo. Bilang a player of the game, we present to you this box of Shakey. Siyempre natin sa atin ang Shakey Stick. So congratulations again, and back to you guys.
FEU winning its second straight game. Sa ngalan ni Tricia Robredo at ni Miss Anne Rimulya, this is Coach Ronnie Magsanov saying thank you for watching us sa Shakey's B-League.